Alis ka dyan. Teka muna. Sinusubukan ko yung live eh. Tinawagan ako. Oh. Billing data. Ay, okay, naka-live na ako, sir. Pinapan ko lang yung ano para court to court.
Sige.
Pinapan ko yung camera.
Pantay mo na lang kayo na bahala. Sige.
Paki-check na lang, sir. Kayo First game, 6-7 versus Infinity. Black in black jersey and Infinity in white jersey. Okay, let's start the ball game. First game for tonight. First ball possession, jersey number 77, no basket. Same ball possession, shot clock down to 14. Penetrate, Tres, drop pass sa baseline, short, defensive rebound ng Tres. The left wing, steal by jersey number 77. Nagpambo ng 9, loses the ball, turnover. Over para sa white jersey number 20. Point guard of Infinity on the right wing, aim for 3 of the ring. Defensive rebound niya para sa 7. Binigay na kaagad Yaya on the right wing, perimeter short. Defensive rebound 19. Cross court pass sa 20. Manawag, pull up, mid-range J of the ring. Outbound, turnover para sa block team. Jersey number 9 dribbling the ball, penetrate the shaded area and no basket yan. Naipit ang 7 ron, nothing but glass. Pass break yan, breakaway ang dalawa. Natapikan ng doble 7, outbound. Same ball possession, shot lock down to 19. Shot lock down to 19. Kick out to jersey number 2 on top the key. No basket. Defensive rebound 11. Hinaharas kaagad yung 11. 3-and-1 situation. Penetrate. Yaya. No basket. Defensive rebound para sa white. Atake. 10 on jersey number 3. As the jersey number 20, hinahasal siya ni Ilano. Penetrate. Crossover move. Layup, connects 2 points. First blood. Atake na ulit ang block. Didiskarte ang 9. Aim for 3. In and out. Backs out ka ng 19 para sa white. Pass break to Centeno and loses the ball. Outbound. Kaya receiving the ball para sa block. Sinaharas inward pass sa 7. Naipit na. Aim for 3 on the right wing, no basket. Follow up shot, basket yan ng 7. First deadlock. Asa na yan kay Malawag. Scouting the floor, setting up the play for white. Penetrate, engaging. No basket. Offensive rebound, follow-up shot, and draws a foul. Foul. First throw. Basket count. Second throw. One out of two pero kanya box out. Ooh, 3-point play kagad dyan para sa White. 5-2. 3-point lead White. Yaya. Pass to jersey number 9. To jersey number 13 on the right wing. Off the ring. Aim for 3. Tinapik ang bola. Nakakuha ng 9. A pull out mid-range J. No basket. Scrambling for the ball. Nasa White pa rin. Na-block pa rin niya. Shot block 10. Inward pass sa 9 na ipit sa dalawa. Drop pass, steal ng Bented. Pass break sa Centeno, hinaras ng doble 7. Natapikan. Shot lock down to 19. Shot lock down to 19. Tawag, receiving the ball, nangahasal si Yaya. And foul by jersey number 77. Mandatory substitution. Mandatory substitution. Wala silang penetrate and traveling violation. Baseline drive by jersey number 3. Ilan lang ba sila? Sideline throw in for Yaya. And jersey number 9 receiving the ball. On the right wing, penetrate the shaded area. Ooh, naipit. Almost a steal. Pass to Yaya. Penetrate. Drop pass. Deflect. Ooh, loses the ball. Outbound. Turnover. 5-2 in favor of White. Infinity. Mendoza is scouting the floor. Oh, behind the arc. No basket. Aim for 3. Offensive rebound niya. Kick out ulit. Aim for 3 on the left wing. Connects 3 points. Jersey number 3. 8-2. Black down by 6 points. Yaya is scouting the floor. Setting up the play. Inward pass. Turnaround shot. Catch and shoot by jersey number 11. Connects 2 points. Kay jersey number 02. Setting up the play. Orchestrating the play. Pass to Centeno. Switch back yon on the transition on the left wing. Atake sa baseline. Layup. No basket. Defensive rebound yan. And this is coast to coast siya. Layup. Connects 2 points. Pass break sa 17. Hinaharas ng dalawa. Naitapikan. Complete steal by Yaya. Kaya 11. Side step. Drop pass sa 6. Perimeter shot, no basket. And loose ball foul by jersey number 77. Second personal foul, jersey number 77. Atake 0-2. Drop pass lang sa 17. On the side, connects 2 points. 10-6. Black down by 4 points. Yaya receiving the ball. On the right wing, transition of play, penetrate, a pull up, mid-range J by jersey number 9, connects 2 points. One ball possession advantage para sa White. 10-8 official score. To jersey number 25C. Oh, sa low post, reverse layup, basket, ang lalim nun. Connects 2 points. With jersey number 17. Here's Curtis Yaya. On the right wing, aim for 3. Connects 3 points. 11-12. One ball. 1 point ball. Advantage para sa White. Penetrate si Tres. Kita si C. Naipit. Perimeter. Off the ring. Defensive rebound ni Yaya. Pass break na yan sa low post and deflected. Almost a steal. Shot clock 21. A minute and 59 in this first period. Pasa kay Yaya. Kick out. Penetrate. Naipit. Pass jersey number 16. Turnaround shot. No basket. Offensive rebound. Follow-up shot and draws a foul. A push by jersey number 2. First throw. No basket. Second throw. One out of two. First deadlock. 12-all. A minute and 40 seconds. As tawag to Centeno, jersey number 3, didiskarte and the right wing. Penetrate sa baseline, 17. Tako po nakita sa left wing yun. Off the ring, defensive rebound, 16. Para sa block. Pass break yan sa 9. Aganillo, naipit. Naipit din ang 16 doon and draws a foul. Jersey number 25. C. First throw. Basket count. And block team breaks the tie. Second throw. It's a 2-for-2. Change favor. 2-point lead para sa block. Hinaharas ka agad ng yan. Hahasil. Tumama pa sa kanya. Loses the ball. Outbound. Turnover para sa block. Atake 9. Tuyaya. On the right wing. Connects 3 points. 17-12. Less than a minute to go. 55 seconds. Centeno. Aim for 3. Counter 3. Wala. In and out. Atake na si Yaya. Si jersey number 11, perimeter shot, off the ring. Defensive rebound niya ng Dos. Pass break. Tumalawag. Naipit. Turnaround shot. No basket. Defensive rebound. Yaya. Pass break yan sa 9. Aganillo. Teardrop. No basket. Kinapit ang bola na. A putback ng 7 yan. So next 2 points. Pass break. Interception. A bad pass. Lano. Didiskarte para sa block team. Dying seconds. 5 seconds. Aim for 3. Of the ring. End of the first period. Game, second period. Ayun. Second period, White. Next out of possession block. Mendoza receiving the ball. Bakas with Macawag. Nakita si Serso. Si Sia on the right wing of the ring. Defensive rebound sa block. Atake na kagad si Yaya. Pasa lang yan sa 13. Cross-court pass to jersey number 9. Air ball. And jersey number 20 controls the ball. Narattle yun. Miscue pass break. Interception by Sarso. Atake 20. Inaaras ka agad ng depensa. Nakita yung libre. Kisi. Reach back shot lock down to 14. Nakita sa baseline. Pumake si Mendoza. Kick out to Manawag. Aim for 3. Air ball. Yaya. All the drop pass lang. Layup. And natapikan sa ilalim. Same ball possession. Shot lock down to 17. Shot lock down to 14. Yaya. Inward pass. Jersey number 7. Bad pass. Pass break 2-and-1 situation. Narattle yun. Tumble yun. Steal by Yaya. As jersey number 9 nakakay sa baseline. Naku po, na-inkanto na yan. Pass break yan. Easy 2 points. Para sa White. By Mendoza. Jersey number 16, scouting the floor. On top of the key. Bounce in. Connects 3 points. Time out. Yung score nyo. Tama yan. Dahil nandiyan ba yung electric fan na, no? Garis! Wala yung electric fan dyan, yung maliit. Electric fan. Wala. Pwede na siguro yan. Kasi kailangan mo kung dito sa ano. Lagi na yan. No, ito na may electric. Okay na. Okay, back to the ball game. That's jersey number 20. Para sa white team, Infinity. On the left wing, aim for 3. Short. Outbound. Turnover. Diskarte naman ang block. 6-7. Vanillo, pass to Yaya. Ipit sa baseline yon. Atake sa baseline. Matake na nga. Connects 2 points. 24-14. Oh, na-steal pa ni Yaya. Aim for 3. Connects 3 points. 27-14. In favor of block. On the right wing, transition of play, switch back. Manawag, aim for 3, off the ring. And Yaya controls the ball. Atake ngayon ang block. Jersey number 16, scouting. Oh, tinira na on top of the key. Connects 3 points. Walang bantay yan. Easy basket para sa 3 points. Atake 20. Pass to Mendoza. On the left wing. Switch back. Nawag. Penetrate. Drop pass to So. Off the glass. Connects 2 points. 30-16. In favor of block. Yaya. Point guard. Ano sa block. Scouting the floor. Si Jersey naman na inward pa sa 7. Atake 7. Naipit sa dalawa. Kick out. Scene. Penetrate. A floater, no basket. Scrambling for the ball. Same ball possession. Mandatory substitution. 5 minutes and 16. As to Yaya. Aim for 3. Nothing but glass. Atake 0-2. A pull up. Off the glass, connects 2 points. 30-18. Inward pass. Ano, nakita sa baseline yung 13. Denied, pero na foul. And draws a foul from jersey number 25. C. Awarded ang free throw. In and out, first throw. Second throw. One out of 2. 31-18. Atake Mendoza. Para sa White. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Defensive rebound niyan. 16. Controls the board. Hinaharas ka agad niya ng depensa. Nakatawid, shot lock down to 14. To make. No basket. Offensive rebound niya ng 13. Basket judge naman, pull up, no basket. And a loose ball foul by C. Jersey number 25. Shot lock, reset to 14. 14 seconds to shoot. Nakita agad ang 13. Libre Sheteron. Easy 2 points. Off the glass. Open wide yung Sheteron. Atake 0 to. Hinaharas ka agad. And natapikan. Loses the ball. Shot lock down to 18. Atake ngayon 3. Aim for 3. Short. Defensive rebound ng 7 yan. Pass break. Interception. A bad pass. Nakita si Mendoza and draws a foul. Foul. Jersey number 7. First throw, no basket. Second throw. In and out, no conversion sa free throw. Pinasa na agad kay Yaya yung bola. Yaya penetrate, pasa lang, drop pass to Jeden. Connects 2 points. To Ilano. 35-18. Nakisisi, scouting the floor. Nakita sa low position and di na receive. Loses the ball, outbound, turnover. Diskarte ngayon si Yaya. Yaya. Pasa yan sa 11. Yano, no basket. Defensive rebound yan para sa White. Pass break to C. On the left wing, aim for 3. In and out, no basket. 2 minutes in this first half. Atake Yaya na ipit and dribbling violation. Panning the ball. Nasa di diskarte. Pass to Centeno. Engaging Centeno. Floater, no basket. Nice. Box out yan para sa block. Pinasa na agad kay Yaya. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Tinapit sa Onsek to Ilano. No basket. C controls the board. Pass break sa 17. Touch and shoot wala. Nothing but glass. Defensive rebound yan para sa block. Binaharas ka agad yung 16 layup, finger roll, connects 2 points. 37-18. A minute and 8 in this first half. Atake ngayon, Tres all the way, no basket. Pass to Yaya again, 2-on-2 situation. Stop and pop, connects 2 points. By Yaya. Less than a minute. Ooh, steal. 40 seconds. Pull up. No basket. And foul. 13. Holding foul. Shot clock 14. 37 seconds. 37 seconds. Inward pass, catch and shoot layup, basket. 30 seconds. Diskarte si Yaya. Shot lock, counting down. Shot lock, winding down. Shot lock. Good. Dying seconds. Shot lock off. 4.3 seconds. Dying seconds. Aim for 3. Off the ring. And of the first shot. Ako na ng connection sa internet. Yun. Second half, third period. Jersey number 6. Diskarte ang White. Aim for 3, air ball. Jersey number 9, setting up the play para sa block team. On the right wing, nakita sa low post ang 7. Connects 2 points of the glass. Hinaharas, penetrate, pull up, of the Foul. (25-43). Awarded ang free throw kay Ilano. No basket. Second throw. Wala pa rin yan. And jersey number 13 controls the board. Hinaras. And Jumbo. White. Next arrow possession. Alternating arrow for black. Next arrow possession. Discarding ngayon ang Bende. Manawag. Scouting the floor. Pass to jersey number 17. To switch back to Manawag. Penetrate. And draws a foul. Blocking foul. Shot clock 14. Atake 20, pull up, shoot. Tapik ang bola, nakakuhanan. Natapikan din yun, almost a steal. To Pabila, no basket, off the glass. Pass break yan to Centeno, outbound. Turnover, out of bound. Inuwag pa sa 13. Bila. Pinaharas ka agad. Takes and pop. No basket. Same ball possession niya para sa block. Last touch White. Shot lock down to 10. No basket. Defensive rebound na yan. Pass break. Layup. No basket. Sayang naman yung pasa. Libre na siya ron. Jersey number 9 scouting the floor. Pass to Kalea. Aim for 3. No basket. And foul push by jersey number 16. Pushing foul. Centeno receiving the ball. Sa White, hinaharas ka agad ng dalawa. Pass to jersey number 17, aim for 3 on the right wing, no basket, defensive rebound yan. Irlano, jersey number 11. Pasa na yan sa 9. Nangahasel si Centeno ron. On top of the key, airball. Outbound. Dati ulit ang White. Manawag. On the right wing, switch back to Manawag. Ay sa 19, aim for 3 on the right wing, shoot. Offensive rebound na 17, no basket ang follow-up shot. Naharasan yung sa galim. Atake Pabila, pull up. Connects 2 points off the glass. 45-25. Atake Manawag. Penetrate, layup, and draws a foul. Jersey number 16. Jersey number 17, correction. Ang may foul. Jersey number 16. Second throw. Bouncing. 1 out of 2. 26-45. In favor of block. On the right wing atake Ilano. Pasa lang yan. Aim for 3. Nothing but glass. And Centeno controls the board para sa White. It's a 3-and-3 situation. Hinaras, steal. Pass break na yan to Ilano. Crossover move and foul by jersey number 17. A blocking foul. Substitution. Substitution. Sideline throwing. Yaya. The left wing switch back to Yaya. On top of the key. No basket of the ring. Nakakuha pa rin ng 9 yan. To pass to Ilano. Teardrop. No basket. Defensive rebound by Serso. Atake si C. Hinaharas ka agad ng dalawa. Pass to Manawag. Aim for 3. Short. Outbound. Jersey number 77. Hinaharas ka agad yan ni Manawag. Naka-crossover move si Yaya. Naku, naipit yun. Pass to jersey number 7. Drop pass lang yun. Open wide. Easy 2 points. Nakalusot yun. Nakanakaw move. Discard them 20. Manawag scouting the floor para sa White. Inaras ni Yaya and tika ng bola. Foul, jersey number 77. Gregorio. Sideline throw in for C. On the right wing, transition of play. Switch back to C. On the right wing, pull up. Mid-range J. No basket, defensive rebound. 7. Naharas sila, pasa lang sa Lopos. Nag-spin move. And draws a foul. A reaching foul. Jersey number 4. Both teams warning for penalty. Basket count, first draw. Second draw. Timeout White. Tama yung score mo. Tama yung score mo. Tama yung 48. Back to the ball game. 3 minutes and 36. Remaining time in this third period. Starting ngayon ng White. Balang bola, jersey number 17. Gorop has to see on the left wing of the ring, aim for 3. Elano controls the board, pass, breaks team, captain shoot, layup, and draws a foul from jersey number 25, C. And White in penalty situation. 25. Jersey number 25, C. Fourth personal foul. Warning for foul out. Basket count, first throw. Second throw. Baliktad score mo. Shoot! Pull up, basket. Takay si Yaya. Scouting the floor. Ano, nakapenetrate. Nakita sa low post yung kay Ilano. Basket yan. Nice pass by Yaya to Ilano. 53-28. Less than 3 minutes in this third period. Manawag, pass to Centeno. On top of the key of the ring. Backs out yan for Ilano. Pass break yan to Yaya. Catch and shoot, no basket. Nakakuha pa ni Ilano. 3-2 situation. On the side, no basket. Airball. Aking manawag. Ako po naiipit. Perimeter, shoot. Nakuha ni Yaya, controls the board. Atake Yaya. Si jersey number 7. Penetrate 9. No basket. Nakita ni Ilano yun. Put back by Ilano. Connects 2 points. Less than 2 minutes. A minute and 53. C controls the board. Inward pass to So. Touch and shoot yan. Basket yan off the glass. 30-55. Atake Ilano. And draws a foul. From jersey number 17. A pushing foul. Penalty situation. White. In penalty situation. Both teams in penalty. Basket count, first throw. Second throw. Basket again. Atake si C para sa White. Less than 2 minutes, a minute and 30. Hinaharas. Foul, jersey number 16. Penalty. Foul, jersey number 16. Basket, first throw. Second throw. Basket again, 2 for 2. 32-57. In favor of Black. Shot clock down to 14. Yaya aim for 3. And may nakitang foul. Jersey number 17. Jersey number 17. Fourth personal foul. Warning for foul out. Marami ng foul trouble sa White. First throw basket. Marami ang foul trouble sa White. Second throw. Wala pa rin. And last throw. Basket again. It's a 2 out of 3. 2 out of 3. Now didiscarte para sa White. Switch back to Manawag. Shot clock 10 to C. Aim for 3. Nothing but glass. Wala pa rin niya. Offensive rebound niya. Naras. Steal by Ilano. Pass to Yaya. Atake Ilano. Layup. No basket. Defensive rebound C. All the way C. Layup. Basket coast to coast. Connects 2 points. 30 seconds. Nagpambol yun and loses the ball. Turnover. 25 seconds remaining time in this third period. Tawag. Steal ng 7. Foul by So. Penalty situation. Remaining time 16 seconds in this third period. Both teams in penalty situation. Wala ang first throw, second throw. Walang binasket yan. Dying seconds. Dying seconds. Shot clock off. 10 seconds. On the right wing, ngayon tres. Pull up. No basket. Ilano controls the board. Pass to Yaya. Of the end of the third period. Back to the ball game. Last 10 minutes. Last 10 minutes. Lock. Next out of possession, White. Next out of possession, White. At to Yaya. Lano. Atake yan 7, naipit. No basket ang floater niya. Scrambling for the ball. Nakita pa rin ang 13, hinaras. Steal. Ay Mendoza. Hinaharas si Yaya, penetrate. Mendoza. No basket ang lalim. Atake yan 13, pass to Yaya. Catch and shoot, basket. Hinaharas ang 19. No basket. Yaya controls the board. On the left wing, inward pass to Yaya. Naipit, pull up. Basket by Yaya. Atake si C. Penetrate all the way. Layup, basket. Atake si Yaya. So jersey number 9. Nakita yung 7. Kick out. Padilla. Hinaras. Steal by jersey number 19. As to C. C crossover move all the way, layup and foul. Jersey number 13. No basket first throw. Second throw. 1 out of 2. Substitution. Yano receiving the ball. Hinaharas ka agad siya. Nangahasil in 19. Penetrating. Yaya. No basket. Takot offensive rebound ni Yaya. Pass to Ilano, aim for 3. Airball. Outbound. Atake Diaz. Cross-court pass to Mendoza, aim for 3. Shoot. Nakuha ni So. Offensive rebound. Naku, nagpumble. And draws a foul. A reaching foul. Jersey number 77, Yaya. Aim for 3, shoot. Defensive rebound ng 16 yan. Pass break to Ilano. Layup off the glass. Connects 2 points. 65. Tama yung score. No basket. Ilano controls the ball. Pass to Ilano. To Yaya. Next 2 points. 67. 37. Ata crossover move layup. Shoot. Pass break yan. Catch and shoot. No basket. Defensive rebound. C. Nakita yun. Ooh, loses the ball. Outbound. Loose ball. Turnover. Takin 9. Penet 2. Pasa lang yan. The corner left. No basket. Defensive rebound. So. Hinaras. Steal. Layup. No basket. Defensive rebound. C. Start si C. Nakita yun sa low post. And foul basket. Bonus shot. And 1. Jersey number 9 yung last foul. Substitution. Bonus shot. And 1. Basket ang N1. 3-point play. Jersey number 9, 4 personal foul. Warning for foul. At-atake 16. All the way, no basket. Defensive rebound C. Pass break. Malawag. Penetrate. Hinaras. And foul by jersey number 13. Padilla. Shot clock reset to 14. C. As to Mendoza on top of the key. Short. And jersey number 13 controls the ball. Pass to Yaya. Crossover move. Hinaharas ka agad siya ng dalawa. Nakita yung penetrate and traveling violation. Turnover. Jersey number 3 scouting the floor. On top of the key, aim for 3, connects 3 points. Centeno connects 3 points. 43-67. Less than 5 minutes in this final quarter. Yaya, didiskarte, naka-crossover move layup. Basket off the glass. Nakalusot yun. Tawag, didiskarte para sa White. Pass to Centeno, aim for 3. Connects 3 points. Centeno. Taki Yaya. Inward pass to Ilano. Atake 16 sa baseline. Turn around shot. No basket. Offensive rebound. Ilano. Pass to Yaya. Hinaras. And tumama na yun. Kickball. Turnover. Sideline throw in yan para sa White. Jersey number 20, Manawag. To Centeno. Shot clock 14. To Mendoza. Penetrate Mendoza. Engaging. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Defensive rebound yan. By Ilano. Pass break. Switch back to Ilano. Catch and shoot. Layup. Basket. Diskarte ang White. Atake 19. Switch back to 19. 8 for 2. Perimeter, no basket. Ooh, bad pass. Steal. Atake Centeno sa ipit, sa baseline. Layup, no basket. Atake Yaya. Side step layup, basket. out. White. Back to the ball game. Less than 3 minutes remaining time. Pass to C. On the left wing of the ring. Scrambling for the ball. Nakita ni Yaya. Ang bola ron. Shot lock down to 14. Shot lock down to 10. Shot lock winding down. 5. Inaras. Shot lock violation. Turnover. 2 minutes and 6 in this final quarter. Substitution. Sideline throw in. Centeno aim for 3 off the ring. Defensive rebound yan. Sinaras is still by jersey number 19. Pass to Malawag. Aim for 3. In and out. Sinukan bola. Pass to Yaya. Less than 2 minutes. 1 minute and 40. Shot lock down to 10. Shot lock down to 5. Shot lock winding down. Teardrop shoot. Good. Pass break to Centeno. 1-on-1. All the way layup. Basket. Shot lock down to 14. Penetrate. Natapitan. Na-retrieve pa lang 7 yan. Yeah, drop pass. Steal by So. Pass to Centeno. Sidestep and draws a foul. The jersey number 9. Jersey number 9. 5 personal foul. Fouled out. Out of the game. Wala ang first throw. Second throw. Walang binasket. Less than a minute. 50 seconds. Shot lock 14. Steal by jersey number 20. Aim for 3. Short. Outbound. 38 seconds. Remaining time in this final quarter. Ilano receiving the ball. Pass to Calya. Aim for 3. Nothing but glass. So, controls the board. Pass break. Malawag. Easy 2 points. Dying seconds. Shot lock off. 23 seconds. Shot lock off. Dying seconds. 15. 10. 5. End of the ball game.